Hi, kids! Welcome to Benny the Bunny's colorful meadow. Today, Benny and his friends are going on an exciting adventure to learn about colors. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi, friends! I'm Benny the Bunny. Today, I'm going to learn about colors with my best friends, Lily and Max. I can't wait!
Hi, Benny. What are we learning today?
Hi, Lily. Today, we're learning about colors. Do you want to join me?
That sounds fun. Let's find Max. He knows so much about colors.
Hi, Benny. Hi, Lily. I heard you want to learn about colors today.
Yes, Max. Can you teach us?
Of course. Let's start with my favorite color, red. Holds up a red apple. This apple is red. Can you say red?
Red!
Red!
Great. Now let's find something yellow. Points to a yellow sunflower. Look, this sunflower is yellow. Can you say yellow?
Yellow!
Yellow!
This is so much fun. What other colors can we learn?
Let's find something blue. Picks up a blue butterfly. This butterfly is blue. Can you say blue?
Blue!
Blue!
Wow! Look at that beautiful rainbow. It has so many colors.
I see red, yellow, and blue in the rainbow. What other colors are there, Max?
The rainbow also has green, orange, and purple. Let's name them together. Green, orange, purple.
Green, orange, purple.
Green, orange, purple.
Benny and his friends had so much fun learning about colors today. Let's remember the colors we learned. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, and purple. Can you say them all with us?
Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple.
Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple.
Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple.
Thanks for learning about colors with us, friends. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Keep exploring and learning.
Thanks for joining Benny and his friends on this colorful adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye.